So this is the first tutorial, changing populations. Yeah, the hope is that we'll be short and sweet with this one. So looking at physical and human factors that influence population distribution at the global scale. So on this map, we can clearly see that there are high density populations in a number of areas. This is typically because of favorable geographical locations. So coastal regions are allowing for livelihoods, food in terms of fishing, and of course later trading relationships. You've also got temperate climate regions and regions which provide plentiful rainfall. And so this enables populations to grow, to develop strong agricultural systems, and then build a kind of economic base from there. You can also see that some regions are very remote. They have hostile climates, extreme climates, and this, of course, is less favorable for populations. There are a number of kind of synthesis points here to consider. Economic cores exert power over periphery regions. So certain regions develop faster. They have an economic control over resources, and these become central to the economic cores, and peripheral regions get left behind, but do enjoy the trickle down of benefits from economic cores. There are some regions which endure instability, and this can play out at both the local and regional scales. And this leads to a form of outmigration towards the economic cores. When we consider development, we're using kind of GNI as an indicator. So we can classify countries into low income, middle income, and high income countries. The World Bank has this useful classification. And so actually at the low income level, an income or a GNI of below $1,000 is quite an important figure to think about. This is pretty low. And so actually most countries don't fit into that category. But what we do see on this map is that there is a high concentration of low-income countries in sub-Saharan Africa. If we combine that with the lower middle-income countries, predominantly sub-Saharan Africa and Southern Asia region kind of fit into this level of development.